Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cinyunglove. It's good to be back again. I know a long time I haven't been recording my video since I moved to my new job. So this video is about Hermes Bag collections, and I will share in here my experience while wearing them, using them in my days, and the pro and cons also I will mention in this video. And hopefully it can be helpful for you who wants to start your Hermes collections. So let's get started, guys. I started my Hermes bag collection from this Lindy bag. So this is a Lindy 30 in an orange color, coming in a stem R, which is from 2014. So it's been 8 years old bag. To be honest, I didn't use this bag too much because mostly I work, so in the weekdays I cannot put my MacBook inside this bag, right? So usually I use this bag in a weekend or when during my holidays. So this bag is good for traveling. And the cons of this bag, maybe because of the color, is quite colorful, as you guys see. Compare with the natural color like a black, e-top or gold color. This is more colorful and more cheerful, and so this bag support for a casual occasion, of course. Yeah, so yeah, but I still love this bag actually. Well, I'm considering to sell it and to let it go. Well, I'm not sure yet, so let me think about it then. Next to my second bag, I purchased also from a pre-loved market. This is a Herbag in a size 31. So it comes with the B color. So the blue and green inside. Yeah, blue and green inside. Well, ta-da! Also, it comes with a stem R 2014 and some of stain already in here before I purchased it from the first owner. Yeah, but the color is also cheerful and pop up. Can you guess? I added another hair bag. So this is more natural color. Yeah, my hubby bought it for me in natural color. It's like a green olive. Compare this. So my experience using this hair bag, I quite like it because I can put my MacBook inside this when I still in my old company. I can bring my MacBook inside this bag, and also it's coming with strap, right? And if you look at the shape, it reminds you like a carry bag, but in a size 31. So it comes with a back pocket, which is I like it. I can put my phone, my sanitizer in this bag side, which is you cannot find a back pocket in carry bag, right? Yeah, so classic. But I still put the carry bag in my wish list, of course. Yeah, this is good as a traveling, as a work bag, as a casual, also good. So every occasion this bag is great. So I recommend it for you if you're starting your journey. Maybe you can start it with the Herbag, which is more affordable compared with Kelly, and it's very useful bag. I can guarantee that. That's why I add one more. The cons of this bag is, of course, the closure. It happens also with the Kelly. If you wanna open your bag, yeah, you need to have a little bit effort to open it and close it while you're using it. See this? If you are using it as a shoulder bag, right, and you want to close it, Then you need to pull up this and do it like this. So you can imagine if you put some stuff inside this. So you need to make sure the bag you hold it like this, and you can pull it up like this, so you can close the bag. And now let's continue with my next bag. Is Hermes Jige. So this is called a Jige Elan, which come with the exotic leather, which is ostrich. Yeah, sexy, right? The leather is so sexy, man. Ooh, love it. Yeah. So it's good for party, simple occasion. If you didn't bring anything, a lot of stuff with you, and it's great bag for you to accompany you for party, for late night dinner. And yeah, the cons is it cannot fit a lot, so so you need to care about the cleanness of your hand. So because this is an exotic leather, so I'm a little bit worried when I'm using it, because I have to make sure my hands still clean, right, when I touch it. Even if you use a hand lotion on your arms, if you hold it, yeah, just be careful if you use a clutch. So because everything you need your hands to hold it. You cannot put all the time in your armpit all the time, right? So yeah, but this clutch is sexy, guys. So continue to the next. I have my garden party. Yeah, I love this bag so much, guys. My god. First, I recommend you the Herbag, and second, if you wanna have a Birkin, so this bag is a practice for you, garden party. It's similar like Birkin. It's a tote bag like this. You just put your stuffs inside just like that and grab your stuff just like that, and it's very light, even though it's a full leather with the canvas inside. Yeah, but this is very recommended for you guys. If I can buy the new one in the boutique directly, yeah, I think I'm gonna add one more garden party in my collections. It's very useful and very simple and classic, guys, and of course it's understated. Yeah, it's only, you can see the Hermes only in here, and people cannot notice about it. So it's quite comfy. It fits a lot. It can fit my MacBook, of course. My MacBook is in 13-inch. Yeah. So if you wanna watch specific about my collections, one-to-one bag, well, I can link it in my descriptions below, so you can check them out. And the cons about this bag, I don't think it has a cons. Maybe it doesn't have a strap, but that makes this bag looks more classic, right? Yeah, just a top handle like this. Ta-da! Beautiful. I have a Picotin 18, which is I just added maybe end of 2021, last year. I just added this Picotin in my collections. Ta-da! See, this is very small, but it can fit a lot of bag. So it's kind of like a tote bag, but in the circle version. Ta-da! Yeah, beautiful. Love it so much. And this bag, I'm also considering to let it go, because I think I have a lot of tote bag in my collections, and well, let me think about it. Did I need to let it go or not? because I still miss this Picotin. It's very cute. Yeah. So if you watch the Korean drama or Korean look, nowadays this bag is very popular, which is very simple, but because it's popular, then in the reseller price they increase the price, which is quite significantly different with the store price. Also with the garden party, also the reseller price so much high. Yeah, love, love, love. Ta-da! Beautiful color with blue pale color. Well, not sure about the color name because the receipt comes, I think the seller bought it from airport, so the receipt is very simple. It doesn't come with the serial number, just the price and the type of a Picotin. The color is not specified clearly, so I just guess it's more to a gray or a blue pale like that. Yeah, beautiful. So next, my very precious bag. Yeah, I bought it from a reseller. The Birkin 25 in black togo leather with the rose gold hardware. Serious, I haven't taken out the sticker yet until now. Yeah, it's still there. I just can admire this bag. Well, you guys see in person it's quite small, so it's not as big like you see in a picture. So you guys know, if I can get this bag from the Hermes boutique directly, I won't think twice, I will get it just like that. Because this bag, I'm so speechless, so beautiful. The craftsmanship is great. Yeah, very beautiful, and I don't know, I just admire this bag. As you guys know, if you wanna score a B or K or C in the Hermes boutique, you need to have a journey or a purchase history with the SA in the Hermes boutique, right? And also the most important thing, that you need to have a luck to get your wishlist. Yeah, which is, yeah, it's hard to get. Yeah, if you have a budget, and this Birkin is very special and it worth it, guys. Yeah, I can see that. But I didn't wear this too much. But when I first bought it, I often wear it, but nowadays I haven't wear it too much because I'm rooting in my other bags, so it will be fair enough for them, right? The leather, they need to breathe, so I change them every week. Although this bag is very small, but it can fit a lot, guys, so don't worry about it. It can fit a lot. Ta-da! Beautiful. See that? Very simple, but so elegant. Oh, I love you, baby. Oh yeah, I wanna share this. Hi, my daughter Janice. Thank you to create this lovely heart shape from your 3D pen. Love it so much. Yeah, my daughter makes this for me, and it can, so it use this, yeah, and I put it as a pin here. So cute. Ta-da! So that's it for my video. Hopefully this video is useful for you, and if you want to start your Hermes journey, I hope this video is helpful for you. And if you're new in my channel, please click the subscribe button and ring the bell, of course. And see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.